Let's do a wee run, one of the guys. The Tracer 900. It's a cracking looking bike in the sort of grey and purple. Or grey and blue, I suppose it is. Ah, he's got the Tracer MT09, I believe it's a 2018, in the sort of grey black, the bluey purple wheels and tints to it. Really nice looking bike. We'll maybe get a look of it later on and be able to see why it is that I can't have a Tracer. Tracer 900, also made as a sports touring bike. It's got some cool bits in it, you know. Simple screen. Don't think it's a colour screen on that one, but just simple digital screen. A lot of wind protection off the touring screen on it. I think what else it's got from when I looked at it myself. USB points. Very comfy seat, very plush seat. Pioneer adaptation kit is pretty much there, you just need to get the right Yamaha panniers for it. I think standard it looks quite nice. There are some bikes that straight away you think I'm going to change that, but I think that bike as standard is an okay looking bike.